Hey guys! So, if you are learning Spanish, one thing that you need to learn is the alphabet. And there are some letters in the Spanish alphabet that are different from ours. So, for example, the letter V makes the B sound in Spanish. So, the word boy, which is spelled V-O-Y, and means I'm going to, that V sounds like our B. So it sounds like I'm saying the word boy as in little boy, but it means I'm going. Boy. Another example is the double L's is the Y sound in Mexico, the J sound in Colombia, the sh sound in Argentina. For example, my name is, me llamo, that's how they say